How to make a mega menu on WordPress easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a mega menu on WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your WordPress website, and this is where you will get. You can see this is my dashboard for a test website that I am creating on WordPress. Today I'll show you how to create a mega menu on WordPress. So let's get into it. Today I will be using a plugin to create a mega menu to customize our WordPress menus and to save time and get more productive. On your dashboard, you will get this panel and you have to scroll down to plugins. In plugins, click on add new. Here we can add new plugins, and in the search bar I want you to search for mega menu, and here we have different plugins available on WordPress to create a mega menu. So you can see we have these two. The first ones, we have this one, which is a Max Mega Menu, an easy to use mega menu plugin written the WordPress way. Then we have WordPress Mega Menu, which is from Quad Menu, the best responsive mega menu designed for theme developers with customized menu layouts and mega menu drag and drop fields. So this one has 400,000 active installation, and this one has 20,000 active installation. You can actually go for any of these. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with the first one. You can see it's compatible with my WordPress version, so I'm just gonna click on install now, and it will just take a second to install, and then click on activate, and your plugin will be activated and we're good to go. We will be able to create a mega menu. So here is our plugin. You can see mega menu. Let's open it up. Alright, in order to customize our mega menu, the first thing is the menu location. So we have 3 menus and we can create another menu location. So first of all, you will create and divide your menus into separate menu locations so that we can manage them better. So they have created a primary menu for us, secondary, handheld menu, and I can add another location. How to add another location? Click on this option. And now, this is where we will be able to create a new location for the menu. Give the location a name that describes where the menu will be displayed on your website. So if I want it to be a footer, if I want it to be a header or a blog sidebar, I can just add the name here. Let's add a menu for the header. So I'm just gonna do that. Assign a menu. Select a menu to be assigned to this location. This can be changed later using the appearance menu and then manage location page. So for now, I will skip this step, actually assign a menu, and then we will just click on add menu location, and it will be added to the main menu location here. You can see now I have 4 menu location. So we have a primary menu, then we have a secondary menu, and then we have handheld and header. Now I can assign different menus, different pages to each of these locations. For example, in the primary menu, what I can do is I can click on assign a menu and then select a page from my main menu that is given here. So it will actually take me to my menu structures. First, we have to give our menu a name and then select the pages. Let's give it a name new. Alright, so we have menu settings, auto add pages, automatically add new top level pages to this menu. So I can actually select this option or select the pages myself. I can select the pages from here, such as my, donation form. Then we have like checkout. This is a test website, so I have a lot of different pages created. So I can select from here, or I can select automatically add new level pages. And then we have a location. Now this is where we created the locations, right? So I want it to be in the primary menu. Click on create menu and it will be created. And the location is going to be primary menu. So here we have our 1 mega menu created with the menu structure. And now I can select the pages, post, categories, and product categories as well if you have WooCommerce added. Simply go to the pages and select the pages now. I can select this one. Then I'm going to select this one and this one right here. Click add to menu and these pages will be added right here. So you can see it's going to be a simple drop down menu with the pages that I have added. Similarly, I can select the post that I have added on my website to add to a menu. Then we have custom links and categories. In categories, I have one category created and I can add it to my menu. Then we have product categories, product tag, and WooCommerce endpoint. This is for our WooCommerce. And if you're running an e-commerce store on WordPress, then you will get these options such as like product, a category, product tag, and WooCommerce endpoints. So once it's added, you can just click on save menu and your new menu will be created right here within your menu structure. So you can see we have a primary menu created. So this is our menu and this is where we will be managing it. And this is where you create a menu to add to your primary locations. You can also do this by just going to the appearance, go to menu, click on manage menus, and then create menus here. I will open up my plugin again, which is Mega Menu right here. All right, so it'll take me here. We have added a menu in the primary menu section. You will be able to see it here now. You can see. Let's move on to the next option, which is menu themes. In here, I will be able to actually create a theme and customize a theme for the menu that I have. So this is what a menu looks like, and these are general settings such as theme title, default, arrow, line height. We have shadows, a widget, styling, and other things. Then we have a menu bar in where I can set a menu height, menu background, menu padding, menu items, item font, backgrounds, item border, and dividers. Then we have mega menu settings again where I can select panel background, panel width, panel padding. Then we have flyout menus, mobile menu, and custom styling as well, where I can actually work with the coding. So if you do not have experience in coding and if you do not want to add a CSS, then you can just leave this option and go with the default menu. Moving on, we have general settings again, and in general settings, I will be able to actually create more than one menu and it'll show me different files that I have created with Max Mega Menu. Keep in mind, these settings are for Max Mega Menu and not for the menu we are creating. Settings for the menu can be found in menu themes. This is where we will get the editing theme and different settings. Then last option we get with the Max Mega Menu is going to be tools. And here I can actually find a plugin data and I can just delete the data, and then we have like cache for CSS. So this is just like additional tools that we get. Once you're done with your menus, you can actually add as many menu as you want. You can select the pages from here, and the menus you have here, you can just add them to one mega menu and create a location for it on your website. If it's going to be a header, footer, a primary location, if it's going to be a secondary position, so you can just select the location and create your menus. Within your menu themes, keep in mind that all of these settings are given here and you can actually customize each and everything. You can customize the spacing, you can customize the lining to actually create a professional mega menu and to create an aesthetically pleasing mega menu for your website. So the plugin is actually pretty impressive with all of the different features we get. There is also an upgrade available for the plugin, and you can avail the pro feature of Max Mega Menu to actually avail more features of this plugin. You can also install the extension of the Max Mega Menu to add to your WordPress website. Once you're done, you will just click on save and a mega menu will be created on your website. We're getting menu location, menu theme, general settings, and tools for the free version on Max Mega Menu. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to create a mega menu on WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.